In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out who deleted a record in Salesforce. With a few simple steps, we'll guide you through the process so that you can confidently track down this information whenever necessary. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This is the starting point where you'll access all Salesforce tools and functionalities. If you don't have your login details at hand, be sure to retrieve them before starting. Once you're securely logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is where you can navigate to various features and customize your Salesforce experience to suit your needs. Next, you'll want to locate the App Launcher. You can find this in the upper left corner of your screen. The App Launcher is like the gateway to all your Salesforce apps, making it an essential tool for quickly accessing different sections within your account. Click on it and it will display a menu with an array of applications that you use regularly. Now, with the App Launcher menu open, you're going to look for the Recycle bin. Think of the Recycle bin as a temporary holding area for deleted records, similar to how it works on a computer. It's a handy feature that gives users a chance to recover mistakenly deleted information. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to open the Recycle bin. Inside the Recycle bin, you'll see a tab labeled My Recycle Bin. This is where you'll find records that have been deleted from your personal account. Browse this section to locate the specific record you're interested in. Now, to discover who deleted the record, direct your attention to the Deleted By section. This section provides the crucial information you're after. It's essentially your answer key to determining the responsible individual or system that executed the deletion. Keep in mind that the Recycle bin stores deleted records only for a limited amount of time, usually between 15 to 30 days, depending on your organization's settings. So it's a good practice to regularly check this space if you're monitoring deletions. If the record you're searching for isn't listed there, it may have been permanently removed after exceeding this time frame. Taking a moment to explore these steps and understand the process fully will empower you to effectively manage your records. By utilizing the Recycle bin in Salesforce, you're not only able to track who deleted a record, but also potentially restore it if it was removed in error. This capability is vital for maintaining accurate records and ensuring smooth operations within your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.